Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, it's going to be a vlog of my entire week, and this was on Monday. As you can see, it had rained, so I was going to get a matatu. Here I'm in class already. This is our hub at the Nation Center, and on this particular day it was quite empty, but the space is quite beautiful and lovely and such a good place to study in. So this is me with my big set of earphones. Yeah, I find them quite efficient, but I know tunafaa kutoka from that analog and just use the small earphones. Welcome to my Tuesday. So this was on Tuesday and it was around 7. I'm doing my eyebrows. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that my eyebrows look nice, because I'll just do my eyebrows and put on some lipstick, then head to class in town. The trick is to make sure that they are well concealed, so that even if they don't look like twins, they look nice and similar, and you don't look like the old Nigerian movie actresses and how they did their makeup. So that's me concealing. Anyway, I want to ask something. Have you ever felt like you've wasted an outfit or makeup, or just stepping out of the house? I have felt this a number of times. So last weekend on Saturday, I went out with a friend of mine for an hour maximum, I think 1.5 hours, and I went back home. I had put on a really cute, nice outfit, and I felt that I had really wasted that outfit just going out and all that. So I've decided if I'll be wearing an outfit for an hour and I've gone outside, I'll definitely repeat that outfit. So don't judge me if you see me next weekend or the other weekend without outfit. So this was my outfit for Tuesday, guys. Nice casual look. Yeah, then this is me in a matatu heading to town. That's along Jogoo Road. When I got to class, I finished my weekly test. Then I was doing an update of my portfolio and trying to design my website for a milestone for this week. I finished, went to the washroom and did an outfit check. This was on Wednesday, my outfit check. So I was wearing my beautiful blue jacket. If you've seen my other videos, then you definitely know this. As you can see, it looks way nice now than from the other videos. So I was just doing an outfit check with Scott, and my mom trying to tell me my zip was open. That's Scott saying bye to me. Then yes, nilipanda matatu, ilikuwa imewekwa patanisho, Mluya ni nani, I had to listen. Then here I'm in class, the beautiful view. I wanted to zoom in for you guys to see KICC. So that's it. That was Wednesday. Good morning. Today is on Thursday. I'm going to do some house cleaning. Then I have to shoot a video for my school project. Then do tests, finish up my work for this week. Then I think I'll go visit a friend. I want to also do some maternity style shopping for a new client. So yeah. Arise and shine. So the first thing that I had to do was to open my window, let in some light to the living room. Yeah, so you can see I'm doing that and just trying to arrange the seats and all the pillows. I did some dusting, which you won't see from here. Yeah, then I went ahead to do some cleaning. I'll just show the last part when I was cleaning our back area, and it was quite dirty. You'll see after a few minutes how the water turned out to be so dirty, but the end goal is to ensure that everything is clean. so the mat turned out clean. Then I went ahead to do some arranging of our utensils. So please, kwa nyumba yetu, just know these are regular glasses, sio glasses za beers. Yeah, so I'm just arranging them. My mom had decided to thorough clean, and I'll not show the whole thing, I'll just show a few of what I arranged. So those are the glasses, teas. These are the things that we use on a regular basis. There are some that I'll not show, but we did clean on the same day. So according to my mom, that's a regular small glass. It's not a short glass. Wadau, please. Yes, then the metallic glasses. My mom is an ODM fan, so whenever she sees anything orange, she has to get them. I was trying to fit them first just before I dry them, then I ensure that they are placed well. Yeah, and I was done with that. Then I decided to also clean and dry our plates. These are my favorite salad bowls, quite nice. Then I'll just be doing the rest of the plates. So yeah. Someone told me in Nairobi, weka maombi mbele, ujanja kidogo na utafaulu. Anyway, so this was on Sunday. That's my outfit for the day. A very cute Ankara dress. And I was going to church. The previous night I was out, but I felt that I really needed to go to church this morning, so I went. And yeah, get to go through church with me, guys.
Prepare our hearts, because there is something that we want to do. We deserve the glory and honor.
Well, this was on Monday and I decided to watch Scott. Let me know if you like my videos of Scott so that I can be doing more. Anyway, it's been a while since he was washed because he's been sick and he's been itching. Part of his lower side, we had to shave him. So yeah, I decided to wash him. It takes quite some time because when I'm washing him, hasumbui, but when it's time for him to dry up, he really disturbs me. He wants to go inside the house to sit on the seats, yet he's still wet. So I just have to close all doors after washing him and stay with him in the sun and let him sun dry because he fears the sound of a blow dry, so I can't even use a blow dry to dry him up. So yeah, this is me just cleaning him up. I tried to be as gentle as possible because his skin has been quite sensitive because of the itching, and I'm yet to really get a cure for him. He was injected. I'm not seeing so much improvement, but I'll wait and see if, because he's supposed to be injected again. So after that, I'll get to know if the medication has worked or is working. Yeah. So this was on Tuesday, and Aki guys, if I tell you, I used to be one of those people who used to say avocado is overrated. Now regretting my words, but anyway, I wanted to take my breakfast with some avocado. The best way I thought was to spread it on my slices. So that's how it looks. But when I take avocado consecutively, I get breakouts and an increase in my oily skin. So I try not to do it so much. Then I went ahead to do my laundry. That's powdered soap, Omo, or whatever you call it. Then the next part is always so exciting for me. Like, I love doing this. It's so childish. The inner child in me can never help but just to do this. Then, so that's how I prepare my water for washing. This other basin has Star Soft detergent. I use mild, or just mild, because it goes a long way. Then I'm going to start with my whites and shades of white, so white, cream, or anything that's quite light colored. Then I make sure that my hanging line is clean. I take a cloth and make sure I go through just to ensure it's clean before I hang my laundry. So yeah, that's me just hanging it. Then I realized that I had to wash the clothes I was wearing, because I never ever want to leave anything behind. I always make sure that even the clothes that I wore overnight are washed as well. So yeah, this is me just doing the laundry. So guys, as I finish up, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like my weekly vlogs, or if there's something specifically that you like about my videos, then I can do more of those. Your feedback helps a lot. So yeah, thank you for all the returning subscribers. Welcome to the new subscribers. Continue watching my videos, sharing them. Yeah, thank you guys, and I'll also continue putting out more content when I have time, and I hope to be motivated more. So thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye bye.